Good day everyone. In today's video, I'll be explaining the sensible cooling, which is part of the process in air conditioning. So in this problem, determine the cooling load produced when 800 liter per second of air is cooled from 15 degrees Celsius and 15% relative humidity to 25% Celsius. Find the dew point temperature at final emission. First, we need to identify our given. We have a volume of 800 liter per second, which will be converted to 0.8 metric cube per second. Next, we have a arrival temperature at point 1, which is 15 degrees Celsius, a relative humidity of 0.15 or 15%. We also have a given of the arrival at point 2, which is 25%, at 25 Celsius. So required is the cooling load produced in the system and also the dew point at the final condition. First, we need to find the other properties using the given points. We have dry bulb at 15 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity of 15%. So using the psychometric chart, we can get it. The enthalpy, which is 18.3 kilojoules per kilogram. We also have a humidity ratio of 0.0116 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of air, and also a specific volume of 0.93 metric cube per kilogram. Next, we need to find the mass of air. So the mass of air is equals to the volume over the specific volume, which is 0.8 metric cube per second over 0.83 metric cube per kilogram, which will result in 0.86 kilograms per second. Since we get this, let's move on with point 2. So in point 2, we have a dry bulb temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Since it is a sensible cooling, it has a constant also 0.060 humidity ratio. From there, we'll plot the points and find the intersecting point, which will be getting the enthalpy, which is 54.7 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is the formula for getting the cooling load, which is the mass of air H1 minus H2. Since we already have the values for H1 minus H2, we can also already plug in the values. So if the value of the mass of air 0.56 kilograms per second times value of H1, which is 18.3 minus 54.7 kilojoules per kilogram, cancel out the kilogram, will be given as kilojoules per second or kilowatts. That will result in 22.016 kilowatts. And the dew point, since it is a constant with the humidity ratio, the dew point at point 1 is also similar to the dew point at point 2. That is all.